Good morning, Scholasians. Good morning, Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts of the Philippines. And to our guests and parents, thank you for coming today. As a Scholasian, we can never compromise good character and discipline. That's already automatic. So if you will be staying here for the next school year, you are expected to be a true Scholasian, a true Scout who is disciplined, responsible, and very much willing to serve God, his and her country, and his and her fellow men.
Today is your investiture ceremony. This is just a beginning. It is not a graduation yet. As Ms. Meg mentioned, we are expecting our soon-to-be grade 6 students to be more compassionate and to become better students because you are already the ates and kuyas in the few months to come of our grade schoolers and our senior kinder Scholasians here in our new campus.